Hey guys, today we're going to replace this fuel filter on this 1997 Toyota Chaser. So here's the part number. This fuel filter is from a first-gen American 4Runner. First we're just going to lift up the car. Alright. Jam this on in here. Oh my god. Pink filter gone. Alright, so first things first, you want to have a drip pan underneath your fuel filter. And we're going to crack this fuel line loose. Alright, and before we twist it off, I just do the other one. Just like that. And then we're just going to take off these two 10 mils holding on the fuel filter bracket. Alright. Oh, it just smells old. It smells like a junkyard. Alright. Let it drain out because it's kind of gross. Alright. So now what we're going to want to do is swap the brackets. So we'll line it up the same. That right there. Look at that. It's like coming out like brown. So now we're just going to put the fuel filter back. So it's going to show inside right here. So this is the side that fuel is going to go into. And it's going to be where the gas is coming out of. So it's going to go to the fuel tank. So this is going to be going in to the fuel filter. And this is going to be the outside going to the car. Okay, we gotta tighten this until it stops leaking. Okay. So now we're just gonna check for leaks by starting the car. Some high octane. What? Oh. So this concludes the video. Yeah, we're done. Just gotta put the wheel on, but yeah, that's it. 4Runner fuel filter fits the JZX100. Now we know. Okay.